Germany and Spain, there's no question. The best teams in Germany. Defence is being stretched here by Javi Martinez. And here's a chance for Arjen Robben, and Victor Valdez has to make a really important save. It's short, but Alexis Sanchez committed himself. Lance strikes it hits PK and goes behind for a corner kick. He did block it with the arm, but it was Robben again. Towards the head of Dante, there's a chance for Murat. Munich.
It was a difficult one to pick up.
Pedro in towards Messi, and Dante did just about enough. He could easily have stabbed that into his own goal as it was. He stabbed it away. Ribery with the corner. Towards the head of Dante. There's a handball appeal. There's a chance for Gomez. It's hooked over and the referee. Now there's going to be problems for Mark Bartra. To know that as long as they're in touch, they're in the hunt. Only a yellow card here for Javi Martinez.
I don't think it actually hits him.
Robben with the corner towards Muller at the far post. It's struck in by Mario Gomez. Barcelona really got problems. Gomez strikes. Here's Thomas Muller. Muller's shot. It was a good idea. He tried to hook it back from Robben. Eventually into the path of front. Ribery. It's not very far away. Stretch one. Schweinsteiger takes. It's towards the head. Arjen Robben. Robben scores.
Did he foul Jordi Alba? Was he fouled there?
It's 3-0 at Bayern Munich. A clear daylight between themselves and Barcelona. Arjen Robben's individual.
Haven't really figured, have they?
Thomas Muller. Jordi Alba couldn't cut it out, and Muller's gone on, and it's needed a save from Valdez, and here's Schweinsteiger, and Robben has got a chance. Arjen Robben. Xavi with a free kick. Oh, there's a real chance here. It's Bartra. Well, he was just in unfamiliar territory, and he panicked.
Yeah, can he not go left foot there? Just trying to turn all the way.
Schweinsteiger was taken late by Busquets, but this is Alaba into Muller. Been fantastic this evening, carrying the fight back to Barcelona, being pulled back by Alexis Sanchez, who will pick up a yellow card. Jordi Alba just threw the ball in Robben's face there.
No.
It's a yellow card. Over. Javi Martinez cut down by Andres Iniesta. There'll be another yellow card. Into space and finding Arjen Robben. Trying to curl one, it was deflected, and it's deflected just wide by Bartra. That might have been on target. Bayern Munich, irresistible. Barcelona couldn't live with them. Couldn't live with their mind.
I think that's your worst case scenario. I think that you actually do lose to a team from your own country. The pressure definitely gets ramped up, and it'll be an incredible occasion if Bayern and Dortmund were to play at Wembley. The stadium full, the atmosphere would be incredible. It'd be a great football match. These two teams have been the best two teams during this competition this year.
Well, what we do know is that they play each other in the Bundesliga next Saturday. Whether that will be a rehearsal for a Champions League final, we're about to find out. Off we go. It's been a lovely day. Attack for Barcelona, and the willingness to attack from their German opponents. And Ribery running past Xavi, and then the return ball would have been on from Mandzukic, but Ribery. 2-2. Iniesta. That's a bit of... That's a great try by Pedro, wasted no time.
4 or 5 years winning that ball back early.
Every now and then, stride of David Villa. Free kick, ability to turn with the ball as well. Robben thought he was fouled. pause for Xavi.
He's asking.
Expected coming here with a 4-0 lead though. And the chance for Lahm. Oh, and he could have had the t-shirt printed. I saw Lahm score. Xavi had made the angle. And Fabregas, well, these days he's playing more and more. Oh, that Bayern keep it. And again, as he was really taken out by Dani Alves, and Jupp Heynckes, he was looking at his feet, but I guess he knows he's booked. And that is
25 minutes away from an all-German Champions League final. Let's rejoin our commentators, Gary Neville and Martin Tyler.
Well, initially they needed 4 goals in 90 minutes. Now it's 4 goals. Seemingly none the worse for that foul on him by Danders up the field. Here's Robben. It's a wonderful goal. It's worthy of Bayern Munich. It's worthy of Jupp Heynckes' team. And the former Real Madrid player.
Your wide players working like that back, tightening up the midfield, Ribéry and Robben.
Since he had that 4 forward, and Robben was the one attacking it. Was on comes Alexis Sanchez. In the match, make the odd mistake, you can forgive them. Alexis Iniesta, and on comes Robben. Actually was the furthest forward, but he was fouled. Booking Luis Gustavo. Oh, and it's an own goal by Piqué. Just emphasising the superiority of Bayern Munich here. David Villa. Pedro, who had a decent shot from distance in the first half over the semi-final. David Villa has got a chance to at least challenge Neuer with the header. He's put it wide.
He's tried it a few times, Dani Alves, from that side, crossing from 40 yards away.
He's had 1 suspension for the 3. That's the first tariff. They've scored again. They are really rubbing Barcelona's noses in it. 4 at home, 3 here at the Nou Camp. And the 3rd wrapped up in cotton wool. Just a couple of times. There was a game not that long ago, Gary. Here's David Villa, who loves to score. Can't do it.
In the World Club Championship. It's maybe the only thing he can do.
Robben, can he set it up again on his left foot? Oh, he uses Rafinha.
There when they were trying to attack, just absolutely no space at all.
Thiago. Wembley, get ready to welcome Germany. Bayern Munich, most deservedly, will play Borussia Dortmund on May